Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Roblox or while joining or opening any app or a map, you get a black screen while doing so. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here percentage, local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Now right in this address bar, you need to type in CMD and then hit the enter key. Now type here a command rmdir space slash s space Roblox and then hit the enter key. Now type in Y and then hit the enter key. This way you have completely deleted the Roblox from your system. After completely deleting, you need to again open up your web browser and re-download the Roblox from the official website. Download this Roblox installer right into your system, and after downloading, install the Roblox, and hopefully the issue of black screen while opening an app or joining a map will be fixed out. Although if this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, first of all, if you have installed Discord Canary version into your system, you need to open the Discord. After opening the Discord, you need to open its settings and you will find the option of game overlay. Make sure you disable the game overlay of the Discord Canary. After disabling the overlays, try to relaunch your game. Hopefully, this will fix out the issue. If not, you need to completely uninstall the Discord from your system until either the Roblox or the Discord server releases a new update to fix out this overlay issue right into your system. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.